Today is a beautiful sunny day. I know that in the southern hemisphere it's summer, but in the northern hemisphere it's cold. It's freezing. In some places are freezing. -15 for me, it's freezing. So it's time for you to put your Brompton away, to put it in a very nice place so you can ride it when summer's back or spring. This video will be about 3 tips for you to put your Brompton away. I don't like that, but sometimes it's necessary. Well, the time of the year that cyclists get bored and lazy arrive, at least in the northern hemisphere. It's freezing, it's hard to ride your bike, and it's dangerous. So the best thing is to put your Brompton away. Sad, but it's true. And sometimes you do travel for a month and you have to put your Brompton away because you're not gonna take it from, I don't know, I would take it anyway, but sometimes you travel to a place that you cannot ride your bicycle. So I'm gonna give you those 3 tips to help you put your Brompton away in a way that when you get it back, it's brand new. Let's start it. Well, first step is simple. I think everybody does it. It's take your Brompton to a shop and clean it, but clean everything that you can, the chain, take all the dirt out, take all the grease out, and then after you took all the grease out, wash it, dry it very well, get very dry, and then you grease it again. I know. The thing is, you have to put it away like you're gonna ride on the next day. So that's the first and most important one. And when you clean it, clean inside of the tube, take the seat post out, clean inside here. If you can't, you could take if you have a very great bike shop, you can really clean it and take the center out, the pedals out, clean inside, lubricate, then will be perfect. If you can't, at least clean the whole bicycle, the chain, dry it, clean, put a hug inside, and spray with an anti-rust, because this is steel and you get rusty. Yes, Brompton is a fabulous bike, but if you don't have a titanium one, it does get rust. Oh, sadly. Well, the second tip is about the tires. Always put air on it. Always save your Brompton, put your Brompton away without the tires pump. And if you can, don't let it touch the ground, okay? Because the air goes out and the tire gets smashed and it can damage the side of the tire and also the tube. So it could happen that when you getting your Brompton back to ride, it has a flat tire. So second tip is always, like if you're gonna put it away for 3 months, every couple weeks or every month, put air on your tires. Let it be, empty tire. Don't let it be without air. Always put air on your tires. Always, pump it up. If you do have a rack on your Brompton, a great way is to put it away folded, because it's not touching the ground and it protects the tire and your tubes. Better safe than sorry. Before you go to the third and most important tip, a bonus tip. Put this gear on plus, okay? Because 10 will be on the smaller, I don't know how you call it, and this way would be less strength. Okay, so now for the last and most important tip of all. But before we start, before I tell you this last tip and very important one, I'd like to thank Sliced Page for this video request. That it's so very nice. I like it. I never thought about it because we don't need it much here in the southern hemisphere. But every time that I have to put a bicycle away, you know, for a while, those are the things that I do. And because you guys gonna stay like 3 months in snow, oh, freezing. Yeah. You know, from Brazil, I get freezing. Those are very good things to do. The third tip is choose a very nice place to store your Brompton. It cannot be a hot place, neither a cold place. You know, there's a lot of plastic parts, and if there's a hot or too cold, won't be good. And the most important one is that's a IKEA bag. The IKEA bag, it's one of the things that if you have a Brompton, buy an IKEA bag. Why? It's perfect to travel with. You know, if you want to carry in the train, or if you want to carry in if you want to carry in the airplane, IKEA bags are fabulous. But they're not breathable. So if you store your Brompton, even if it's clean, even if it's dry, in a non-breathable, strange word, breathable cover, this is what's gonna happen. Yes, that was it happened to me. I went to New York and I rode the whole day long. I put in an IKEA bag, put in my suitcase, and because I want to film it when I unpack it, I left it for one week, and this is what happened to my chain. Yes, was humid and stay on the unbreathable bag, and this is what happened. So store away in a nice place. I would live in the living room because it's well climate, you know, not hot, not cold, and you can put like a cover on top, or you can make a box, you know, and put it in the wall. It looks nice. I've seen some beautiful ones. The thing is, clean your bike, lubricate, and drive very well. Put air on your tire. Always store your bicycle with the tires full, you know, so it won't damage the tire itself. It won't, you know, crack it. But here in the southern hemisphere, we gonna still ride our bicycles. I'm gonna try to show you some very nice places, you know, to cheer you up, send you some sunny days. Hope you did like it. Thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do be part of it. And if you have had any video requests, like Sliced Page, Nose in It, a lot of people ask me things that give me great ideas for a video. Maybe your question is somebody else's question also. So I'll help you and help some other great subscribers. And okay, I think that's it. All the 3 great tips for you to carry for your Brompton when you're gonna put it away. I'm not gonna put it away mine because I'm gonna still riding. Yes, we have a lot of sunny days now. The thing is that sometimes it's too hot. You know, I think the best time are spring and autumn because they're not cold, they're not hot, they're perfect. And in springtime, you have the beautiful flowers, you know, oh, so beautiful. In the autumn time, we have the different leaf colors. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Actually, I do like every time. Well, I hope you did like it. And take care of your Brompton. They are marvelous bikes, so take care of them. Okay, bye-bye.